Wagwan, me just find this old map and it look like it lead to some serious treasure. If this thing real, we about to be swimming in gold like a school of snapper in the Caribbean Sea. This jungle harder to go through than my girl's pom-pom. She believe, oof, have a natural body. Boy, hold tight, my friend. If this place got that smell of death in the air, then scream. What in the Indian Jones shit is this? This is the end of Rasta tell baby mama gamble all our money away. We are rich, my friend. Nothing can hold us back, man. Except baby mama. Wait, that mean? My friend, so we had to bury the evidence because baby mama always trying to thief a man money, eh? That dirty woman. Can't trust her not to take off.